Ready to reclaim your Instagram as purely personal. Let's switch you back from a professional account. First things first, open up your Instagram app and head to your profile page. That's the little icon with your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, in the top right-hand corner of your profile, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those to open up your menu. From this menu, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where all our account controls are. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you locate the Account Type and Tools option. Give that a tap. Here, you'll see your current account type. Look for the option that says Switch to Personal Account. This is the magic button. Instagram will then give you a heads up about what happens when you switch back. It's important to note that you'll lose access to professional dashboards, insights, and contact options. If you're sure, tap Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. And just like that, you're back to a personal Instagram account. Your content remains the same, but you've shed those professional perks. Easy as pie.